Meaning of fester.
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 Fester. The word fester means to become progressively worse or more intense, often in the context of a physical wound or an emotional grievance. When something or someone is left to fester, it can result in an exacerbation of the original problem, leading to further complications and even more serious consequences. For example, if a wound is left untreated, it may become infected and start to fester, causing pain and discomfort. Similarly, if a disagreement between friends is not resolved, it can fester and ultimately lead to the end of the relationship.